Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to move your cryptocurrency from Robinhood to a decentralized wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, taking control of your assets is more crucial than ever for security and true ownership. Whether you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other token, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, why bother moving your crypto? Robinhood is great for trading, but it's a centralized platform, meaning they hold your keys. A decentralized wallet puts you in charge, reducing risks like hacks or account freezes. Plus, in 2025, with new regulations and advanced blockchain tech, self-custody is the way to go. Step 1. Choose and set up your decentralized wallet. Options like MetaMask, Ledger, or Trust Wallet are popular. Download the app or software, create a new wallet, and securely back up your seed phrase. That's your digital lifeline, so don't lose it. Step 2. Fund your Robinhood account if you haven't already, and make sure you have the crypto you want to move. Log into your Robinhood app or website, navigate to your portfolio, and select the cryptocurrency you're transferring. Step 3. In your decentralized wallet, generate a receive address. For example, in MetaMask, just click Receive to get your wallet's address. Copy this carefully. Double-check for any typos, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Back in Robinhood, go to the withdrawal section. Select the crypto, paste your wallet address, and choose the network if prompted. Make sure it matches your wallet's network to avoid lost funds. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including fees. In 2025, expect dynamic fees based on network congestion, so aim for off-peak times to save. Confirm the transfer, and voila, your crypto is on its way. Finally, once the transaction is complete, verify it on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan for Ethereum-based tokens. This ensures everything went smoothly. Remember, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you're one step closer to full crypto independence. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.